The result of mechanical up-degree concerning thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been extraordinary, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One sort of such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 109 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at sort of lower cost, improving the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, has taken care of the steady ascent popular of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the interesting highlights of Sushiswap. Taking a gander at the moderate energy in the cost of Sushiswap, it basically is most certainly worth seeing how the value diagram of Sushiswap basically has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, yet fabricates trust. Sushiswap's portion in a real sense empowered comfort as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In light of the Sushiswap gauge, the year 2023 may give a descending push to Sushiswap, taking it to 5 cents temporarily. With a 5-year venture, the income might be generally depreciated from now on. As per the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost conjecture, Sushi cost will hit $1.79 before the current year's over and afterward $2 toward the finish of 2024. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $4.77 inside the year 2030. Sushiswap value estimate, 2023 to 2030. Sushiswap value forecast 2023. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the powerful help region presented by prosperous Chinese business visionaries. Being discussed on numerous occasions, the cost of Sushiswap have demonstrated dynamism and vacillation at the same time incredibly. Consequently, taking the specialist's perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help from the possession, the resource cost might flood by and by in every way that really matters. Because of careful arranging technique being vertically at $2.40 by 2023 N. Sushi value forecast 2024, which is very huge. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark concerning a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token in an unpretentious manner. An uplifting cost expectation gauge for 2024 shows that the value change of USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a higher development rate inside the following year. The by and large normal cost will reach to $2.63 and the greatest value level could reach $2.80. Sushiswap value expectation 2025 Sushiswap specialized examination and Sushiswap estimate additionally show that the crypto market will amaze its fans by fixing the future cost of Sushiswap at $3.20 by 2025. The typical cost during 2025 will be around $3.60 and the greatest value level may be around $3.90. Sushiswap value forecasts 2026. While the critical improvements have affected the Sushiswap cost, pushing them in a positive course, the digital money market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to arrive in a significant way. The typical Sushi cost in a real sense is anticipated to reach $4.10 in 2026. The truly least and greatest value levels could truly be around $4 and $4.90 individually. Sushiswap value conjecture 2027. According to the Sushi coin cost expectation, the cost of Sushi is supposed to cross the degree of $4.50. Sushiswap is projected to arrive at a really least value level of $4.15. What's more, the Sushi cost may basically raise a ruckus around town value level of $5. Sushiswap forecasts 2028. Sushiswap cost could explicitly cross $5.20 according to the Sushi forecast 2028. The cost of Sushiswap is projected to arrive at the very least degree of $4.80. Also, the Sushi cost might raise a ruckus around town greatest value level of $5.70. Sushi value expectation 2029 in an unpretentious manner. In light of Sushi crypto cost forecast 2029, Sushiswap might exchange above $5.90 before the year's over. The cost of Sushiswap is determined to arrive at least degree of $5.40. Also, the Sushi cost for the most part holds plausibility to stretch around the greatest value level of $6.20. Sushiswap value expectation 2030. As per Sushi Cost Expectation 2030, Sushiswap cost might exchange towards $6.50 before the year's over. Sushiswap is anticipated to arrive at the very least value level of $6.30. And the sushi cost could stretch around the greatest value level of $7 toward the finish of 2030. Sushiswap, opening the potential, or so they thought. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity to. The whole foundation of Sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing Sushi. They can in any case profit from the fractional procuring, receiving an attractive benefit. This component of Sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that generally makes certain to crow. Is Sushiswap a wise speculation? In view of Sushiswap cost forecasts. And in actuality, yes. As per essentials of unwavering quality and hearty openness of liquidity, Sushi would generally end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital money world. On a cynical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will doubtlessly sort of stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging, and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $5? Outstanding or touchy development according to the transient Sushiswap cost expectations. Sushi coin cost might be an embellishment. In any case, the Sushi token has colossal potential, and by 2027, the Sushiswap might raise a ruckus around town mark, which is very critical. What are the Sushi reward programs? Incredibly, these are the best icings to generally be appreciated with Sushi. These prizes especially make Sushi a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and dealers all over the planet get urged to put resources into the splendid possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous partnerships, Sushiswap likewise extends its base with special measures. Client is ruler in Sushiswap's reality. And the marking programs give to clients prizes and money bonuses through contests as well. I can't move my Sushi to trade in time. What to do? With Sushiswap, you are guaranteed of trade supporting the movement of Sushi token. Consequently, no problem. You wouldn't experience any misfortunes. Sit tight for intermittent relocations, where to purchase Sushiswap or sell and store Sushi. As such, Sushi token sort of is accessible on completely regarded crypto trades, as by and large respects putting away. The source is upheld by decentralized wallets. For example, MetaMask and Wallet Connect are suggested. Wallets are the most effective ways to store, as they straightforwardly get introduced in beautiful your program in no time, and furthermore permit you the comfort of exchanging effortlessly and quick by and large withdrawal, as well as the exchange of assets into your record. Is the Sushi coin going up? According to the Sushiswap cost conjectures, the typical cost is supposed to exchange above $2 in the year 2023. What number of Sushiswap coins basically are there? The Sushiswap cost today is $1.10. The market cap certainly is $244,077,563.60, and a maximum supply of 222,257,372 Sushi coins. What will Sushiswap cost explicitly be in 2025? According to the Sushi Cost Forecast 2025, there would be a critical value change and will reach $3.90. Consequently, it is the best opportunity to purchase Sushi.